Welcome to our journey through the milestones of technological advancements. Let's explore some fascinating firsts in technology that have shaped our modern world. France, first taxis. France was the pioneer in taxi services. In 1899, Paris saw the launch of the first taxi service, transforming urban transportation and paving the way for modern taxi services worldwide. USA, first passenger airplane. The United States introduced the first passenger airplane service. On January 1, 1914, the St. Petersburg-Tampa airboat line in Florida began regular service, with Tony Jones piloting the Benoist 14 biplane across Tampa Bay. UK, first railway transportation. The United Kingdom was the birthplace of railway transportation. On September 27, 1825, the Stockton and Darlington Railway opened, using steam locomotives to carry coal and passengers, marking the start of the railway era. USA, first smartphone. The first smartphone was introduced in the United States. The IBM Simon Personal Communicator, available for purchase in 1994, combined mobile phone features with a PDA, setting the stage for the smartphones we use today. These pioneering moments in technology have shaped the world we live in today. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating history of our technological advancements. Thanks for watching.